Hi everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to introduce Lady Kris Kringle for the second time. I actually showed this mini album yesterday during my Ustream class of the From My Kitchen mini recipe album. And I wanted to show everyone here on YouTube and let everybody know that my kit is available on my blog. This is Lady Kris Kringle, guys. Lady Kris Kringle is about love for the holidays. We are always taking pictures of our kitties, our children, opening gifts, showing everything that Santa brings them for Christmas. And I decided to do it up a little different and create a mini that's all about you and your honey. This one's going to be about me and my honey. I want to showcase our love through the holiday season and what the holidays are all about. Togetherness, love, and happiness. And that's what Lady Kris Kringle is all about. Check out the super sexy stocking. This is a super hot sexy mini, guys. So I know that we all have it in us, ladies. So this is what I am calling Lady Kris Kringle. This stocking is totally reminiscent to a stocking that I currently have, and I'll actually show you a picture of my inspiration so you all can see. And it's not this fabulous, though, I must say. I might have to, if I knew how to sew, I would totally make a stocking like this for myself and hang it from the fireplace. And it's just gorgeous. Look at all the luscious fabrications, the trim, the greenery, the flowers, and then this beautiful Merry Christmas sentiment on the side. For the album fabrication, my friends, check out the luscious fur that you get in this mini album. Absolutely screams Christmas, my friends. Screams cozy and happy and warmth, and that's what this is all about. Let me take you through the inside because there's lots of elements in this kit, and I want to be sure that I get it all in this one video. So this is a basic, it has a very simple magnetized closure, as you can see right here. This is a really nice size. I'm calling it a mini album, guys, but it's a really generous size. The finished size on this mini is 9 by 7. It has beautiful pages in it to accommodate those really nice size photos. So not too much cropping here, my friends. It has my basic flat pages, like you can see right here, with a little twist. I have a double pocket page right here, which will allow for my mat and a half. However, with this mini album, the mat and a half will be in a vertical orientation as opposed to the horizontal orientation. So I'm not done with the pages on here, my friends, because I will be using these 3 cartridges, or at least 2 of these cartridges to finish this mini album, but they're not available on my Gypsy yet. So for some reason I can't function using my Cricut without my Gypsy, so I have to wait for ProCraft to offer that download, and then I'll be able to finish this mini album. So the paper line for this album, guys, is completely gorgeous. I absolutely love it. It's the Fancy Pants Traditions collection, completely titled appropriately. It has your basic traditional colors here, your reds, your greens, and your creams and your whites, with a twist. And you all know that that's what I'm all about, putting a little spin on things. They added this fabulous blue and brown to this traditional paper line, and I love the way that looks. Check that out, how fabulous. Completely unlike traditional colors, but they mixed it up for those who still like tradition with a little bit of whimsy, and I love that, and that's why I chose this paper line. Absolutely gorgeous. We are using our cinch here for the binding with my hidden pocket technique. And check out the inside. Look at how beautiful that is. Look at the beautiful trim over here just to finish that mini album up, to give it an absolutely spectacular finish. And let me take you through the kit. But this is Lady Kris Kringle, guys. It comes with this absolutely gorgeous ornament to hang on the side. See this? Look at this, how beautiful. I took it off because I don't think you'll be able to get the full effect in the camera, but it goes suspended from the side here, and look at that. That totally finishes that album, and I love the way that looks. Completely sexy, ladies. Totally hot for Christmas. That's what it's all about, my friends. Creating those memories and putting them somewhere that we can showcase them just absolutely beautifully. So let me take you through the kit. The paper, once again, Fancy Pants Tradition collection. Absolutely love this paper. Gorgeous papers. You get the entire collection of the 12 by 12 sheets of paper. Let me get organized here, my friends. And okay, the entire collection. And again, we talked about the whimsy color combination in this paper, and I love it. Just love it. You guys are gonna fall in love with it. Look at that blue. Absolutely gorgeous. You get your deep burgundy tones and you get the red in this paper. Look at that red right there. So that's another really nice feature. It's kind of hard sometimes to get the perfect red in a paper collection. This paper collection gives you both of them, and I love that. Check that out, how fun and festive. Love that. All right, so then on to the rest of the paper collection. You get this gorgeous sheet of 12 by 12 acetate. This is a flock damask on acetate. This is what we're using, or part of what we're using for the boot, and this is what gives that boot or stocking, if you will, the wow factor. Totally screams sexy, ladies. This flock damask, love it. And you also get some the journaling spots that come along with this collection. Check those out. You get this really fabulous glittered border here that says Season's Greetings. You also get the entire 12 by 12 page of acetate die cuts, guys. These are not stickers, these are acetate pieces, which give this mini album a really nice sophisticated look. I love that about this. They're glittered, by the way. Then you get an entire sheet of stickers. Stickers are still fabulous. They're still hot. I'll show you what I do with my stickers. I mat my stickers, which allow me to create little hidden pockets within my mini, and I'll show you how I do that throughout the class. For the embellishments, because we love the paper, but you all know we love the embellishments. So let's take a minute here to talk about them. We've got a variation of luscious fabrics and ribbons, and I love that. Again, here's the beautiful fibers that we get to line our mini album with. You get this gorgeous, everything is 12 inches, okay, for the exception of this. This is 3 yards. You get 12 inches of this, I think it's 2.5 inches of lace in the red and the white. You get gold and red ribbon, and this is completely glittered. Love that. You get this beautiful iridescent bead that we use for our boot and for some trim inside the mini album. Once again, the showstopper here, guys. Look at this, how gorgeous. I absolutely love this ornament that just suspends from the side of the mini album and gives it that fabulous the last finishing touch that you need. Just like the star on the Christmas tree, guys. You can't do it without the star on the Christmas trees, and you can't do it without this on this mini album. Totally sexy, completely gets you in the mood. The holiday mood, ladies, is what I'm talking about here. So let's keep it together. We also get these absolutely gorgeous charms. I love them. I want you to take special note at this charm here that looks like an ice cube. Completely different. Some added sweetness on the end there with this little peppermint. And take a look at this bead here. This is like a smoky red quartzy bead, if you will. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it's got this smoky finish to it that just completes this album, and I love it. And over here with this bead assembly, love the green, the red, and the clear, and the finishing touch, how appropriate. Another ornament for the holiday season. Here's this gold fabrication that you see on the boot. This is at the very top of the boot, and without this, the boot is not finished. I mean, this gave it that final touch that I absolutely love. Perfect for a sexy stocking. And these 12 inches of trim. Some of this will be used for your boot, and some of this will be used for the inside of your album. Here is that added touch of whimsy. This album needs it. It completely fits the dynamic of it. Some whimsy, some fun, and some sexiness, and I love it. You can totally hear the jingle bells. Another mood setter, ladies. Another mood setter. And then for the fur, the white fur that you get in this kit, I want you to realize that this is a luscious fur. Okay, it's completely plush. You're just gonna want to hug your mini, guys. Beautiful fabrication on here on the fur. For your mini embellishments, as I call them, again, you're gonna get your magnetized closure. You get the top and the bottom on that. You get this adorable little sentiment that is on the cover. You get some buttons. You get these really cute flocked finish buttons. You get this greenery. This is also used on the cover. And you get a really nice set of epoxy finished brads. And some more buttons just for the little added touch on those flower centers. That, of course, we have to have the flowers in this one. And then last but not least, you get all of this greenery. And we're going to use it all. Some more whimsy with the jingle bells. Take a little listen on that. On the cover, we use only one set of this jingle bell, and we're going to use the other for the inside of the mini album. Again, that 2.5-inch spine allows for plenty of embellishments, and your mini album was still closed, which is really important. And then you get these beautiful berries, this pick, again, all of this to be used on your cover, this flower. And here you get one of these flowers. I wanted to show you the color variation. Again, you can use both the reds and the rich burgundy in this mini because that's what the paper calls for. Look at these beautiful, I call them like a velvet finish flower because they're totally velvet. And then some more greenery, of course. And also just want to point out, guys, that you also get the chipboard that you need to make the actual album. And you get the papers, the cardstock to make your pages, okay? So check out my blog at www.paperphenomenon.blogspot.com and pick up your kit. These are currently available. For those of you that already picked it up, I wanted to show you a little video of what you're getting in this album and how gorgeous it is, my friends. It's really hard for me to show this on Ustream with the camera angle and with all the lights that I have to have on, but I just wanted to share this with you all because I love it. It's a truly special mini, and I hope you all think it's just as special as I do because I really love it. It's gorgeous, ladies. So let's show our honeys how much we love them, and let's house these pictures in this mini album and have a really nice keepsake just for ourselves. Thank you so much for checking me out. This is Kathy from Paper Phenomenon, and until next time,